Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to join the Forsaken Discord server. Step 1. Get the official Forsaken Discord invite link. This may be found on their website, Twitter, or via direct community referrals. Step 2. Click the invite link. It will open in your Discord app or browser. Step 3. Log into your Discord account if you haven't already. Step 4. Click Join Server or Accept Invite to enter the Forsaken community. Step 5. Some servers requires verification, so follow instructions to accept roles. Verify your email or react to a role to gain full access. Step 6. Once in, browser channels like announcement, rules, and general to get oriented. So, if the invite link is expired, contact a community member or check their socials for the latest invite link. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.